Hey guys, we're opening with L&T Infotech for IT recruiter position. It is work from home till next notice. Great opportunity for graduate candidate, those who want to build career in HR field, because L&T is giving chance for fresher graduate. No need of MBA here to apply. In this video, you will get information of job description, skills they required, and how to apply for this job. I am providing you HR's email to apply here, so it will easy for you to get interviewed directly and easily. So watch this full video guys for proper guidance. So let's start with the video. Here job role is IT recruiter, and eligibility criteria is any graduate from any stream, any passed out. Both freshers and experienced are eligible. Immediate joiners, immediate to 30 days joiners are preferred. Should have excellent verbal and written communication. Candidates should be responsible for sourcing and recruited candidates from various skills on the basis of various skill set as per the job specification. What is specification is there? Okay, must be highly organized and able to prioritize according to the urgency. Need to have a good knowledge of job portals and social media hiring. You will get training of job portals after selection, don't worry about that. Okay, skills or experience of having worked with startup is great plus. If you have experience with startup means consultancy and all, so that is the great plus in this role. Okay, job description they required is sourcing profile. What is your job description means after selection, what is your role after selection? So this is the role: sourcing profile from job portal, interview scheduling and coordination, good in MS Outlook, and you have to maintain that MS tracker of candidates. Okay, connecting with potential joiners, help in coordination of weekend drive, knowledge of recruiting portal are preferred. If you have knowledge and experience अगर है तो that is preferable. Support departmental executives in HR activities, whatever HR activities are there. Okay, then good communication skill is required. Interaction with the candidates is the great plus. Okay, and most important thing, while see, if you source any profile from portal, okay, on the basis of job specification, then first your role is you have to screen that candidate, means you have to take telephonic round of that candidate, and then only if that candidate is fit into your job specification, then only you have to schedule and coordinate with the technical guy. Okay, so first is sourcing, and then screening, and then interview scheduling. Okay, and so yes, what are the technique what are the rounds of you have to face? See, first one is written assessment, then technical interview and HR interview. Okay, other details like job location is Pune, Mumbai, and work from home इन कोविड मीन्स नेक्स्ट नोटिस जब तक नहीं आएगा तब तक ये वर्क फ्रॉम होम ही है. ओके, एम्प्लॉयमेंट स्टेटस परमानेंट है. Salary is starting from 2.5 to 5.1. So it is depend on your interview performance and your experience. So it will depend on only that only. Okay, so how to apply? You have to send your resume with detail on this email ID. Okay, this email ID, and mention your experience, mention your salary, current salary, notice period, all main information you have to mention while sending email ID, while sending the resume. Okay, then yes, I forget to discuss required skills. If you have technical recruitment experience, so this is the like great plus, means this is the preferable one. Then ability to understand, explain the job requirement for IT role. So this training you will get after selection, don't worry about that. Then solid knowledge of sourcing technique, social media recruitment and Boolean search and all. So if you are experienced, then you don't no need of study and all. But if you are fresher for this role, then please study before applying for this post. Google the things like what is the sourcing technique, what is the social media recruitment, what is Boolean search, what is the job portal, what is the work of job portals, okay, then what is the recruitment, and what is the role of recruitment. So all stuff, all these things, all these main questions you have to search on Google, you have to read that, okay. If you have any query about this, you can comment me, I will reply to you, fine. Then good knowledge of job portal is required, experience of having worked with startup, this is the preferable, I already told you, and understanding of technical recruiting, especially recruitment in with the client और स्टार्टअप मीन्स विद द कंसल्टेंसी. अगर आपका कंसल्टेंसी का एक्सपीरियंस है दैट इज़ द ग्रेट प्लस. एंड डायरेक्टली क्लाइंट के साथ मीन्स दैट इज़ डायरेक्टली एचआर के साथ अगर कनेक्ट करके आपने कभी रिक्रूटमेंट किया है तो प्रेफर्ड रहेगा. फाइन. So that is all about this job. If you have any query, you can connect me, you can contact me, you can comment me, then I reply to you. So thank you guys.